See, this is why you do it, Sonia.
Oh, we need all the wheel.
Okay.
On the ramp now.
Release! A little farther next time.
One.
Oh.
Well, you're gonna have to throw it a little higher than that, aren't you?
There you go. Experiments at large. I forgot the name of the show.
So I figured, why not?
Pumpkins! Almost dropped. Are you okay? Huh? Wait a minute, I didn't think this through.
Do you have anything?
I have a coconut.
I'm supposed to take the paprika burger. And there you go. Perfectly clean filtered water.
What, cheese and cracker soup?
Okay.
Ha ha ha! Ha 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 ha! Ho ho! Science madness! Over to you. It's quite difficult to do with gloves on.
Okay, so, right, I mean, I don't know.
I don't think it's good as sport.
So many pencils. I have more pencils than anyone really needs.
Take 84.
Take 3.
Do it. Yeah! Do you see it? Is that still close? Am I too close to the camera? Biodegradable Frisbee. Am I looking at this camera? Or is it this one? Is it this one? First, you need that bowl I told James to go and wash. Forgot to ask him back for that. But hold the phone. Nylons. That's latex that is, man, what? Science.